there, it's Ashley from WTI. What I have here are magnetic utensil holders from ESUDNT.
Currently, I have a glass one that I have to store away for when we're traveling. I was looking for an easier option and I came across these magnetic utensil holders. What a great idea this is. You simply clean the area you want to stick it to, then you peel the outer layer, stick it on, and then you're pretty much ready to go. It's very simple. I also really like the neutral color and the words on the front. These are versatile. You can use them inside your home. It doesn't have to be in an RV, and you can use these with or without the magnets. They hold a variety of supplies for me. I use one for all of my bigger serving utensils and then the smaller one for my daily silverware, and it has freed up so much space in my top drawer. It's easy to access. I don't have to worry about them at all now. So overall, this is a perfect addition to our camping life, and I would definitely recommend if you are looking for something similar, you don't want it moving around on you, this is a great option.
And that is my point of view.